Hello, everyone. Welcome to Catherine's ESL Classroom. In today's lesson, we are going to have a guessing game on birds. Yes, birds. So who loves birds? Who loves to go into nature and look at birds? How about have a game and a challenge, as well as build your English vocabulary? So let's have some fun. So welcome again, everyone. How are you doing on this beautiful day? Well, let's have a guessing game on birds. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the bird and we're also going to listen to the sound of the bird. Perhaps you may know the bird already. So birds are part of the animal kingdom. Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates. Vertebrates have backbones. Think of backbones as your spine, the back, where your bones are, where you can stand up. And birds are the only animals with feathers. Although all birds have wings, a few species can't fly. So look at this picture. What do you think these are? Do these sound familiar to you? That's right, penguins, right? We kind of waddle from side to side. So penguins are the only species that can't fly. Do you think that there are other bird species that can't fly? Put it down in the comments. So if you want to learn more about birds, go to National Geographic, okay? And if you have children, kids, you can go to National Geographic for Kids. I'll look in the links, okay? If you have any problems going to the links, just write it down in the comments and we will help you. Okay, so these are some common birds. You may be familiar with them, but we are also going to build our vocabulary and our pronunciation skills. Let's practice. Hummingbird. Repeat. Hummingbird. Good. American robin. Good. Eastern bluebird. This is a tough one. Yellow rumped warbler. Let's try that one again. Yellow rumped warbler. Good job. How about this one? Blue jay. Good. So how many of you see any of these birds in your backyard or maybe your favorite park? Okay, so now we're going to listen to the sound and guess the bird. We'll practice a little bit, okay? So let's just listen to the sound of these birds. Did you get it? What do you think it is? Let me help you out. The male scarlet tanagers are among the gorgeous birds in an eastern forest in summer, with blood red bodies set off by jet black wings and tails. Females are olive yellow with darker olive wings and tails. Can you guess where the males are? That's right, over here. Blood red, okay? That means a deep blood red, okay? So blood red is a very dark red. It's usually very bright too. What do you think olive? What color is olive? That's right. It's greenish. It's a greenish yellow or olive yellow with a darker olive wings and tails. Okay. So what are these again? That's right, tanagers. And which ones are the male ones? Correct, the red ones. Which one are the females? Correct, the olive yellow. Okay, so boost up your sound. We're going to guess the bird, have a fun game. Hey, do you have an idea what this is? Let's put the sound on. Okay, so let's just practice the pronunciations first. We have magpie, gull, woodpecker, or stork. Which one? That's right, it's a stork. Who got this one? All right, great job. Hey, does anyone know what these are? Okay, give you a hint. You see them at the beach or the ocean or the sea. Is it a gull, a duck, a starling, or an owl? That's right, it's a gull. Okay, sometimes people will say seagull, but it's technically just a gull. They just happen to be at the sea. That's right. What about these? Now, do you think this is a goose, a pigeon, duck, or swan? What do you think? Nope, not a goose. What do you think it is? That's right. How many people picked goose? That's right, it's a duck. I had to throw it out there. All right, good job for picking duck. Sorry, we will learn goose on the next one. Hey, this should be familiar to you. Let's listen to the sound first. Are they pigeon, swallow, swan, or jackdaw? Which one? That's right, swan. Now, what's the plural for swan? Do you think it's swans or swan? Put it down in the comments. We're also going to learn about singular and plural of these words. So I want to see how many of you know this. Guys, listen to the sound. What do you think? Goose, starling, woodpecker, or blackbird? That's right, goose. All right. Is goose singular or plural? That's right. Goose is singular. What is the plural for a goose? It's a tricky one. All right, I'll give you the name, but you have to learn how to spell it. Geese. If there's more than one goose, it's called geese. This would be an irregular noun. Put down in the comments what the spelling is for geese. Hey, this should be familiar to you. Let's see. Listen to the sound first. Would this be woodpecker, falcon, owl, or cuckoo? Cuckoo or cuckoo. Who says cuckoo and who says cuckoo? All right, I figured to throw it out there because a lot of people get this incorrect. So let's just repeat the words. Woodpecker, falcon, owl, cuckoo. Okay, not cuckoo. I wanted to just throw that out there. But do you think this is a cuckoo, a woodpecker, falcon, or owl? That's right. Owl. Did you know owls fly and they have big wings? Very big. Okay, what do you think this is? Is this a finch, falcon, swallow, or jay? What do you think? That's right, a falcon. Did anyone think this was a hawk? They are similar, but they are quite different. Put down in the comments, what do you think is a falcon versus a hawk? Remember, where do you go? Told you before, right? You can also go to this Discovery Channel too if you have it. Hey, what do you think this is? This is a tricky one. Do you think this is a jackdaw, blackbird, magpie, or starling? Many people are picking this one as an answer. Nope. What could it be? It's right, a magpie. Okay, here's a beauty. Let's listen to the sound of the bird. These are tough to pronounce, so let's do them together. Wren, the W is silent. Let's repeat. Wren, Eurasian blue, robin, or Paris major. What do you think? Yes, it is. It's a Paris major. The way you can recognize it is look at the colors and look where the black is. It's in the middle of the chest. Okay, this is how you can remember it. Okay, let's listen to the sound. Okay, what do you think it is? Nightingale, Eurasian blue, swallow, or pigeon? This is a tricky one. What do you think it is? That's right, Eurasian blue. This was pretty easy. We have blue, right? Good job. Okay, let's listen to the sound. I'll listen to it one more time. Okay, is it robin, lark, finch, or swallow? What do you think? Lark? Nope. What do you think? Robin. Good job. We can't always get them right. Who's got 100% right? That means you love birds. Okay, what do you think this is? Okay, this was a nice song, right? So what kind of bird do you think this is based on the bird song? Is it a pigeon, jay, sparrow, or jackdaw? What do you think? See who's got it. Sparrow. Awesome job. That was tough. Okay, here's a popular one. Okay, let's do the pronunciation of the birds first. Nightingale, magpie, lark, or blue jay. Now, this bird is very common in Long Island, New York. It actually wakes me up in the morning many times, can be very annoying, but they are quite beautiful. So what kind of bird do you think this is? That's right, it's a blue jay. How many of you love blue jays? Well, they're quite beautiful, but they can be quite annoying too. Okay, let's listen to the sound of the bird. Okay, let's go over the pronunciation of the birds. Starling, finch, wren, or swallow. Remember, the W is silent in wren. So which bird is this? That's right, it's a finch. Great job. Okay, is this a sparrow, lark, nightingale, or magpie? That's right, it's a nightingale. How many of you have it? That's right, it's great job. I'm so proud of you. Now, I'll give you a hint. The nightingale is also part of the wren family. Remember the bird that said W-R-E-N? Yes, you can also call this a wren, but the most popular is called nightingale. There are different types of wrens out there. Look at this amazing looking bird. Let's listen to the song of the bird first. Okay, is this a waxwing, swallow, pigeon, or jackdaw? These are tough. What do you think? That's right. It's a waxwing. Good job. Now, just so you know, this type of bird, waxwing, is considered a compound word. Do you remember what a compound word is? That's correct. It's two words put into one word. Good job. That was a lot of singing of this bird. So what do you think it is? A woodpecker, cuckoo, not cuckoo, cuckoo, thrush, or lark? Which one is it? That's right. It is a lark. Good job. Okay, is this a swallow, starling, woodpecker, or blackbird? This is a little tough. That's right. It's a swallow. How many of you have that one? Good job. I'm so proud of you. You must really love birds. Okay, everyone should be listening. This is a common one. Okay, think of the clock. Can be an annoying clock too. Is this a jay, a pigeon, a cuckoo, or a chicken? That's right, cuckoo or cuckoo clock, right? How many of you see those cuckoo clocks and the bird comes out? Good job. Hey, is this a sparrow, blackbird, swallow, or magpie? Which one? All right, blackbird, the famous blackbird. Okay, everyone's got to love one of these. Okay, is this a woodpecker, sparrow, thrush, or starling? Remember, look at the tree. What is it doing to the tree? That's right. It's a woodpecker. Good job. Is this a pigeon, chicken, jackdaw, or starling? Which one? That's right. It's a starling. Look how beautiful it is. Is this a jay, thrush, wren, or Paris major? Which one you think it is? Matter of elimination, right? That's right. It's a thrush. This should be familiar to you. Is this a magpie, sparrow, pigeon, or gull? Remember, not seagull, because gull is the proper word. The gulls just happen to be at the sea. So you know it's not a gull or a seagull, because where's the bird? Do you think it's at the sea? No. So where is it? Right? It's on the ground. It's a pigeon. Where do we see pigeons? We see them lots of different places. Put it down in the comments. Where's the last time you've seen a pigeon? So the end, everyone. Thank you so much. And if you want to learn more about the different types of birds in this bird game, just go to National Geographic or National Geographic Kids. You can also see the links in the comments or down below in the description. So thank you, everyone. I hope you had a great bird game. And until next time, bye.